This will be our movement for the day on AUDUSD. So let's start with the trend first. First and first, we are in an uptrend move on our AUDUSD. So this is our first movement, and this is our higher low. This is also the higher high, and here is the higher low. This is our higher high, and here comes the higher low. So with this higher low, we should be expecting AUDUSD to give us another bullish move that will eventually give us a new higher high. Now, when you take a look at it on a hour time frame, this is a major rejection zone that market is rejecting from, which is the support level. First rejection was made here, then the second rejection was made here. This is the third rejection, and now we are in the fourth and fifth rejection phase, right? So that is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on AUDUSD. More updates will be covered for you guys, so just be watching out for it and click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on updates.